course.
Now with the sound effects, when you do have to do like do happy, sad, angry, do they just do it on one loop and just say, okay, just do these now?
They don't, luckily they didn't do it like that. If they had got all the sound reactions together, I would have been like, can all the men please leave the building right now? But they did, it was interspersed with words and lines, but there were some scenes where I would just do a lot of sounds. Like my favourite, the one I'll never forget, was the digging scene. Literally, I remember they were like, we counted how many, it was 11. And I'm like, okay, here goes, digging. And I'm just like there with counting, and then I stopped and I was like, okay, moving on, let's not talk about this.
I remarked